Soft break and hard break of electrode, in application of electrode paste. For electrode paste using manufacturer, the two problems of the most taboo is the electrode soft and hard to break. The soft broken more terrible, easy to cause an accident. Hard broken is caused after electrode paste sintering strength is not enough. Soft fault is electrode sintering speed less consumption, lower too fast. Not completely sintered electrodes cannot afford a stretch at the bottom of the electrode, and the lateral impact cause fracture. The two problems with carbon manufacturer of electrode paste performance has a direct relationship, are also associated with operations in use process. For now, the manufacturer's main problem is the electrode paste roasting speed too slow, so some manufacturer adopt the method of reducing asphalt usage. This approach effectively to a certain extent, but the asphalt amount is too low to cause the liquidity of electrode paste. Electrode paste is not easy to enrich the inside electrode tube, less dense degree of the hard broken after sintering. Another method is to reduce the softening point of asphalt, improve electrode sintering velocity, but reduce bituminous softening point is not unlimited. Because of the low softening point of asphalt, makes asphalt coking rate is reduced, the strength of the electrode to reduce, same is hard to break. Therefore, electrode paste production in addition to properly grasp the above two methods, but also through the adjustment of the formula to improve the sintering velocity of electrodes, such as increasing conductive in formula, good heat transfer performance of graphite materials, to increase the electrode from the furnace for heat conduction, to speed up the roasting, at the same time try to reduce the consumption of electrode, to reduce electrode down also can reach the speed of electrode consumption and roasting matching.